All right, so the first DIY is going to involve that very popular TikTok mirror trend. Looks like they're building out a base for this one. And if you guys do follow this channel, you know that there are a couple of different ways that you can do this trend if you want to try it yourself. So after building out the base, they do go ahead and paint it the traditional black. Add some adhesive, and then the mirrors. Very cool. Nice little weekend project to try if you want to check it out for yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So next up we have someone who has some canvas here. Looks like she has some paper, some type of plastic. Now it looks to me like she has a very restoration hardware store inspired home. And it looks like that's what she's trying to recreate, that very popular restoration hardware canvas look, but in black, which I really like because I think it's something different versus the traditional white. And then she's using like a black sheeting for this, or some type of black material. Creating creases and just kind of covering up the canvas. Very easy project. Wow, that looks so cool. So high end too, and she also has that black velvet headboard. All right, so then we move into the next DIY. This one is also going to feature a mirror. Looks like they have some fairy lights here. So this is part 2. I have no idea what they did in part 1. But it looks like they're doing 2 different rows here of that fairy lighting. Okay. It's a very interesting color. Oh, it's a cloud mirror. I don't really see how it looks like a cloud though, to be honest. Maybe she's gonna add the cotton on top. Or maybe there's a part 3 that we're missing. Right? Because this does not look like a cloud. Let's make a cloud mirror. Yeah, I'm guessing there's a part 3 to this video that we somehow missed. Alright, so moving on. This person also looks like they're doing like the IKEA mirror hack. Or maybe not. Maybe they're making some type of border for something. Oh, they're doing a photo wall. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, wow. Putting plants at the base with stones. Wow. Oh, this is adorable. So precious. Very cute idea. And I like how the photos are in black and white, and then the greenery just like acts as a nice pop of color. Very cute idea. This is like very Pinterest inspired. All right, so then we have someone making over their cabinets. Wow. Whoa. Okay, this is a vibe. They got like a black kitchen. Oh, they did it with contact paper. My husband wanted to do this one time. I was like, I don't know about this. But after seeing this looks pretty cool. Seems like it would be easier than actually painting the cabinets, which is definitely a hassle. And then I'm guessing that the backsplash that she used is also peel and stick. So this was like a nice little makeover she did here. And this is one of those projects you definitely have to take your time, because if you rush, you will have bubbles and it won't look right. Okay, so she did the edges first and then she went in and did the middle. This is cool. It almost looks like leather to me. Is anyone else seeing that? Very nice. Very cute idea. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these DIY projects. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.